How do T cells fight bone cancer with immunotherapy? Imagine your body's immune system as a highly trained army ready to defend you from threats. T cells are like special soldiers that can recognize and attack cancer cells, including those in bones. But sometimes, cancer cells hide or send signals to avoid detection. That's where immunotherapy helps T cells do their job more effectively. The process begins when antigen-presenting cells, which are like messengers, process proteins from cancer cells. They display small pieces of these proteins, called antigens, on their surface using molecules known as major histocompatibility complex. T cells scan these displayed antigens with their receptors, allowing them to identify cancer cells as targets. Once a T cell recognizes a tumor antigen, it needs to be activated. Activation requires two signals. The first is the recognition of the antigen itself. The second is a co-stimulatory signal, which involves interactions between molecules on the antigen-presenting cell and the T cell. Without both signals, T cells might ignore the cancer or become tolerant, meaning they won't attack. Cancer cells, including those in bone cancers like osteosarcoma, often produce molecules such as PD-L1 that suppress T cell activity. This creates an immunosuppressive environment that helps the tumor evade immune attack. Immunotherapy drugs called immune checkpoint inhibitors block these inhibitory signals, freeing T cells to attack the cancer. These drugs include anti-PD-1 and anti-PD-L1 antibodies, which have shown promise in some cases of bone cancer. T-cell immunotherapy can take several forms. One approach involves adoptive T-cell transfer, where T cells are collected from the patient or a donor, grown or engineered in the lab, and then reintroduced into the patient. Tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes are T cells taken directly from the tumor, expanded in the lab, and then given back to target multiple tumor antigens. Another exciting development is CAR T-cell therapy, where T cells are genetically modified to recognize specific antigens on bone cancer cells. These engineered cells can be further enhanced to resist tumor suppression and produce cytokines that boost the immune response. Once activated, T cells kill cancer cells by releasing cytotoxic molecules like perforin and granzymes, which induce cancer cell death. They can also trigger apoptosis, a form of programmed cell death. Through death receptor pathways such as Fas and Fas-L, this targeted attack helps eliminate the tumor while sparing healthy tissue. Often, T-cell immunotherapy is combined with other treatments like chemotherapy or immune checkpoint inhibitors to improve effectiveness. For example, combining T-cell therapy with agents like interferon gamma can enhance T-cell activation and tumor destruction. In summary, T cells play a crucial role in fighting bone cancer through immunotherapy by recognizing tumor antigens, becoming activated, and then directly killing cancer cells. This approach aims to overcome the tumor's defenses and improve treatment outcomes. However, because each patient's situation is unique, these therapies requiring careful management by healthcare professionals to balance benefits and potential side effects. Always consult your medical team for personalized advice and treatment options.